Hello, my foodie family. Thank you for joining us. Today we have a recipe that is light, crispy, colorful, and honestly something that you just cannot stop eating. Chef Tarun, please reveal the secret.
Hello Priya. Today we are making Malabari Shakarkandi Lace. Thin ribbons of sweet potato tossed with coastal spices, fresh aromatics, and lot of buttery crispiness.
So you mean a snack which will be over in just 5 minutes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, let's start with our ingredients. We have Lurpak Soft, then we have sweet potato, then we have chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, ginger juliennes, crushed peanuts, fresh grated coconut, dried red chilies, coconut oil, cumin powder, black pepper, cumin seeds, fresh turmeric powder, mustard seeds, salt, fresh curry leaves, fresh cut lemon, and fresh coriander.
All right, so how do we get started on this?
We start with Lurpak Soft. Let's open it. We take a spoon of it. How smooth it is.
And I love the way it melts into the pan.
Yes. We will start with our whole spices, cumin seeds, half a teaspoon,
Okay.
then mustard seeds, half a teaspoon as well.
Okay, then?
Okay, then we have got some curry leaves, freshly chopped curry leaves. Straight goes into the pan.
Wonderful. The sound and the aroma is instantly giving the feel of the South Indian flavors.
Definitely.
Very rich.
Let's start with our dried red chilies. Beautiful. We will just take 2 of them straight into the pan. Now we'll start with our garlic. 2 teaspoons of garlic here.
Okay.
So the garlic has cooked through. Now we're going to add our green chilies.
All right.
Just 1 teaspoon.
Okay. Green chilies added. What
Perfect.
next?
Now it is a time to pour our sweet potato ribbons to the pan.
Ribbons or lace, I guess the way you have
Yes.
shredded them, that's
Yes.
what gives it the name.
Yes.
All the colors together are looking so wow.
Yes.
So how long do we cook this for?
Just few minutes, and then we are going to add our fresh aromatics, the powdered spices.
All right.
I'm going to add little bit of coconut oil as well.
All right, here you go.
It adds a very nice earthy touch to it. So about 1 tablespoon.
Okay. Whew. The aroma is divine. Is this a common dish in South India?
No, it's just a creation of what you can do with the local vegetables.
And sweet potato are quite
Yes.
a healthy vegetable to use.
Yes, yes, indeed. Now it's time to add our powdered spices.
Okay, what do you want to go with?
Yeah, we can start with cumin powder, just a half teaspoon, a pinch of black pepper,
Turmeric?
turmeric, again less than a half, just a pinch, and a little bit of salt. That's it.
Okay.
I love it how they have come together so
Yeah.
beautifully, and we haven't finished yet.
Yes, I can see you have other things to add to this, and I think that's just going to add to the flavor.
Yes. Now at this stage, I want to cover the pan for few minutes to let the moisture goes in, and it is going to cook the sweet potato beautifully.
So let's say about 5 minutes is when we just leave it for?
Yes. Let's check on our sweet potato.
Oh wow.
Beautiful.
This looks almost done?
Yes. We are going to finish it with our fresh grated coconut. Just about 2 teaspoons.
Beautiful white to all the colors in the pan.
Yes, and then some fresh lemon. We'll take about 2 wedges. Straight goes into the pan. So we are almost done. I just want fresh coriander to final finish this.
I was waiting for you to ask for dhania.
Yes, fresh coriander. And we are good to go.
We ready to plate it?
Yes, please, bring it on.
I was going to ask you if I could plate it today, but I knew I wouldn't be able to do a job as beautiful as this. Not even close.
And now the last
Final
and the
garnish?
most, yes, some ginger juliennes. This will cut through the spiciness of sweet potato and the crunch. We have got peanuts just to add a texture to your dish. So this is your Malabari Shakarkandi Lace, warm texture and freshness in one bowl.
Honestly, it smells so divine, and this looks like edible art, honestly.
Totally, I agree.
Whether you like it or not, I'm going to try this now.
Go for it.
I can't wait any longer. So, let's go.
Priya, are you here?
Sorry, I really got lost. I was just like feeling every single flavor in it, you know, the sweet potato and then the coconut, the peanuts, the ginger, the coriander, curry patta. Wow.
Yes.
This dish is super versatile, huh?
It is.
It could be used in brunch, it could be a snack, a side dish.
Yes, it
right?
is.
Try it, you guys. And let me go and eat in peace now. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you so much, Chef Tarun.
Thank you so much. See you again.